this video, let's talk about which wheel spacers are best.
When it comes to the best Honda Civic wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Honda Civic wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your adventures with peace of mind. Using Honda Civic wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand severe impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Honda Civic wheel spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and straight gauge. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more force without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both Honda Civic wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. They are both to the vehicle hub and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of the wheel lug keep the hub spacer wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both Honda Civic wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in the automotive industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificates. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Honda Civic wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black-hot anodizing. A purple-hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The outside layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a primary appearance, but also can be the highest first. This means that anodized Honda Civic wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.